Hey, Amanda Hartsock here with Read to Succeed. Wanted to talk to you about our awesome coloring and activity books. So, Usborne has a awesome collection of coloring books, and the two that I want to share with you today are my first Color by Numbers and the Usborne Color by Numbers book. So, what is the difference between these two? Well, when you open up the Color by Numbers, you can see here, kind of gives you some directions how to use this book. You'll find a number key which shows you what color to use for each shape, or there's colored dots. So it's kind of, each page is different. So you can see here like color code 1, 2, and 3. So this one has 3 different numbers, and some of it is shaded in. There's some pattern pictures, and they're just fun and cute, and they don't really require too many materials, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about having a huge stack of crayons or colored pencils or markers out in order to do these. So that is my first Color by Numbers book. And then, like, if that seems to be like a little bit too easy for your child or for your student, there's the Usborne Color by Numbers book. And this one is definitely more complex. I don't know if you can see here, this one's more of like a pattern, and it requires more different colors. The colors that they use have different shades, so you can see that it is definitely more complex. It requires a little bit more fine motor. This one is pencils, and again, very intricate. The pictures and the details in the pictures are very small. Some of them don't really have a color it this way like code, and you can just color it, you know, as you see fit. So they usually have a code with them though, and then you go by the number. So this one is definitely more intricate. So the first Color by Numbers is for children really just learning the concept of color by numbers, and then the Usborne Color by Numbers is more intricate and more difficult, and more, there's the spaces to color are smaller. We also have pocket books, which are very small. Here you can see size comparison. These are perfect to slip into the diaper bag, or slip even into your purse for, again, those times where you're going to be waiting in a restaurant or in a doctor's office and you're going to be stuck waiting. So this, you know, it's little. You just throw it in with a little pack of crayons. It gives you some hints and tips of how to use the book. Decorative coloring and different patterns, and then you can see that you can just go through and kind of color or doodle as you see fit. Some of the pages do have some shading already on them to kind of give you some ideas. If you aren't very creative, it kind of can help you out. But if you are very creative, there are also pages that don't have any coloring hints on them for you. We also have awesome tins, which are perfect present ideas. They come in a sturdy tin. This one comes with a dry erase marker, and then it just comes with a huge stack of cards. So what you can do with these, like here, this one says, doodle a fat hairy spider. So they just draw a fat hairy spider, and on the back, fill the pond with wildlife. So this one is just chock full of card after card after card, if I can get them out here. So I mean, you can see here there's just a lot of different ideas that you can use. One suggestion I have for these is if you punch a hole in the top corner of like 5 to 10 of these, throw them in your purse, and then you can kind of rotate them out so that you don't have to worry about them getting misplaced, or your kids won't get bored because you'll constantly have a new stack of cards with you. So yeah, just punch a hole in like 5 or 10 of them, throw them on like a metal ring, and then just throw them in your bag. It's perfect. Usborne also has really awesome activity books and travel pads. So this is the Usborne Fabulous Activity Book, and here you can see here, in the park. It's a busy day at the park. Lots of things to spot. Draw circles around everything you find. There are 7 people wearing glasses. Can you spot them? 6 girls in red spotted dresses. And it just gives you different ideas of things to look for within the pictures. You know, here's around the world. Can you figure out which countries and continents these are? And then it has the 1, the 2, and the 3 there, and you write in your answers. doodle hat and sunglasses and other things on turn these blobs into tourists. Some mazes, luggage mix-ups. I mean, just really cool. Kind of get the kids' juices flowing, their brains moving. And it's just a fun way to be creative, and they're really a lot of fun. Decorate this house with spooky stickers from the stickers pages. Stickers! Again, stickers are awesome. Over 200 of them in this book. So that's the fabulous activity book. And then you have the Usborne Travel Activity Pad, which again, the book is smaller, so it can throw right into your bag. What I really like about this is that the spine detaches from the book so that it will lay flat, which I really, really like this for like working in the car, or when you're trying to work on one page or the other and the book lays completely flat because of the way that that binding is. So that's awesome. So you can see here, baggage stack. The weight of a bag is the sum of 2 bags it's resting on. Try to fill in the missing weights. So it gets their brains thinking. Dot boxes, capital cities, word search, spot the spots, Wild West Showdown. So just full of different activities. That way, you know, if your kids are ever like, I'm bored, you can have them work on a couple pages in here, and then you're good to go. So those are our coloring and activity books. If you saw a book today that you think would be awesome to have in your home, go ahead and like this video and reach out. I'd love to be able to help you get these into your home. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.